This Hawk tutorial video will cover the first step in the process of creating an animal bioassay endpoint Crossview visualization, how to update visualization settings. A bioassay endpoint Crossview uses spline interpolation to display dose-response data sets for a given dose unit, with response normalized to percent change from control. An endpoint can only be plotted in a bioassay endpoint Crossview plot if the extracted dose-response data include at least 3 dose groups. On the assessment landing page, click Visualizations under the Available Modules menu on the left side of the screen. Choose Create New Visualization from the Actions menu. This page allows you to select the type of visualization you would like to create. Select Bioassay Endpoint Crossview from the drop-down menu and press Select. All fields with an asterisk are required and must be populated in order to save. Enter a title to describe the visualization. As the title is entered, Hawk will populate the URL name field automatically. This URL can be modified, however spaces or special characters cannot be used. In the Dose Units field, specify the dose unit to be displayed. Only one dose unit can be selected for a bioassay Crossview visualization. As the visualization is edited, the Settings field will automatically populate to reflect the selections and changes made. The Caption field can be used to provide additional details about the visualization or add important notes related to its content. This information will display at the bottom of the visualization preview in Hawk and on the Assessment Visualization homepage. By default, the Published Studies Only box is checked. Uncheck this box if the studies in the assessment have not been consistently identified as published. A study can be identified as published on the Study Details Summary page for that study, but it is not a required field. There are several optional pre-filter checkboxes that can be used to select a subset of available data to display in the visualization, including study name and outcome-related fields like system, organ, and effect. Check the pre-filter boxes of interest and select one or more options under each pre-filter. Multiple options can be selected from the list by holding down the Control key for non-adjacent options or the Shift key for adjacent options. Depending on the number of studies and the amount of data extracted for the assessment, Hawk might require this initial pre-filtering of data in order to create the visualization. Click Save to submit the changes. Hawk will display the current Crossview, which provides an interactive line display of dose-response data. By default, the base color for unselected lines is gray. By default, the hover path color is red, and the endpoint name is displayed near the line as the user hovers over it. When selecting a line, Hawk opens the details of the endpoint associated with that selection. For more information and for more Hawk tutorial videos, visit hawkproject.org.